If you're staying in Reykjavik and want to be within walking distance to the House Grimskirkja, Rainbow Street, Punk Museum, or the Phallus Museum, you may want to consider Skuggi Hotel. Here's a room tour of room 305. This is a standard double room. There's a decent sized bathroom here. The shower was nice with the rainfall shower head. And of course heated towel racks. Not much in the way of wardrobe or shelf storage here. There's a television and a decent sized desk. Standard double bed, it was okay. Room was quite small, but well located at the one end of town. And not much of a view here. A little bit of a courtyard, you can see the street a little bit. And here's our 3 a.m. sunrise. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to us and helps our channel grow.